Today in this video we will learn how to create and use a Skype account. So firstly open your Windows Start menu and type here Skype. You will see Skype icon. Just click on it. A new pop-up will open. So for creating your account, click on Create Account. You can create your account using your mobile number. Select your country code and enter your phone number. After entering, click on Next. And if you want to use your email address, so simple click here, use your email instead. Enter your email address here. After entering your mobile number or email address, click on Next. Enter the password you would like to use with your account and click on Next. Enter the code we sent your email address. If you didn't get the email, check your junk folder or try again. After entering the code, click on Next. Click on Next. Now you have to enter your phone number with your country code for security information. If you want to change to your account or if you forget your account, so number will be useful for you. So simple, select country code and enter your phone number and click on Send Code. Enter the access code and click on Next. Now enter your first name and last name. This account is for example. You can use your name first and last name. And after entering the name, click on Next. Now click on Yes for accessing your contacts to Skype. Now you will see this interface, Start Tutorial. Start chatting on Skype. Create a new chat or group. Find a bot. Here you can start notification and settings. Update your profile. Manage your account and Skype settings. Get help and support from here. And you can see some dots. Make a call. Use the dial pad to call mobiles and landlines worldwide from here. All your contacts and groups. Search your Skype contacts. Find new people and bots on Skype. So here is the contact icon. Click on Got it. So now here you will get an SMS from Skype automatic. So simply you can get the notification from here and you can call from here. Simple, enter the number and select the area code. And if you want to find some people, click this contacts icon. And here search Skype. Type the name. So simply by entering the name you will find some peoples from here. If you want to request, click on icon and type a message, this one. For sending, click here. And if you want to make a video call, click here. And for calling, simple click here. So by this method you can create an account on Skype, and also you can make some friends. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.